at 6:56 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday, January 21st, 2013. A snow squall watch is continued for Hanover, Dundalk, Southern Grey County. A snow squall warning is issued for Barrie, Collingwood, Hillsdale, and Midland, Coldwater, or Lake. A snow squall warning is continued for Owen Sound, Blue Mountains, Northern Grey County.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour le sud de l'Ontario à 18h56, heure normale de l'Est, le lundi 21 janvier 2000.